Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing well. So in today's tutorial we will learn how to swap this face on this image. So without wasting much time, let's jump into the tutorial. Now select the lasso tool and make a selection around the face. Go to edit and copy it. Now open the second document, go to edit and paste it. By pressing Ctrl T, you can transform the selection and adjust over the image. Now duplicate the main layer by pressing Ctrl J and click on selection. Click on the selection by pressing Ctrl and click on the thumbnail icon. Now go to duplicate layer, go to select, modify and contract by 10 pixels, hit OK, go to edit and cut it. Now select the both layers, go to edit, here is the one option, auto blend layers. Click on auto blend layers, make sure panorama is selected and seamless tones and color should be selected. Content aware fill transparent areas should be selected. Hit OK. Now see the magic. Here is the before, here is the after. I think there is no need to change or use of any stamp tool to match the color. Hope you will enjoy today's tutorial. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like button. If you have any query, comment down below. Thank you. Stay home, stay healthy.